Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about wrinkle free and glowing skin. Exciting, isn't it? So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So before me introducing you to this product, I would like to share a small story. This product has put my skin game from here to here. My skin looks hydrating all day. It is glowing even if I'm not wearing any makeup, and apart from that it has even fight with my smile / laughter line. So this is an epic product if you're looking for a glowing and wrinkle free skin. So let me introduce to the star of the show, that is St.Botanica Hyaluronic Acid with vitamin C and E Professional Face Serum. I simply love this product. Now before sharing the experience and how I like to use this product, I would like to talk about the packaging, the price and the net quantity of this product. So the product comes into a box like this, which has an illustration of hibiscus flower but in blue, and it gives me a somewhere vintage feel which I absolutely love. The net quantity of this product is 20 ml for 1799 rupees. And apart from that, they have mentioned that this product contains no mineral oil, no SLES/SLS, and no added color, which is yay for me. That means it's purely natural. And direction of use is mentioned that it is using gentle upward circular motion, apply desired amount onto your clean skin. And the product claims that this product helps you in order to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and causing your skin to feel healthier and look younger. That's because of vitamin C and vitamin E. Now let's just talk about the product itself. So the product comes into a bottle like this. The face serum comes into a bottle like this. It is as usual dark brown color in order to fight oxidization, and it comes with a dropper. That means you have a good control on the product, and the dropper actually gets too tight. That means even if you're carrying with this product, the product won't spill off, which I absolutely love. I absolutely love the packaging, how stiff the bottle is, how good the dropper is, everything about the packaging, I will say that. And now let's just talk about my experience with this product. But before that, I would like to tell you how I like to apply this product. I like to take the quantity onto my face itself, and I like to massage it in upward motion. Now you have to remember that whenever you are applying any cream, any face serum and fighting wrinkles, the motion should be upwards in order to fight wrinkles. So whenever you are applying any face cream, any serum, remember upwards, no downwards. And even you can pat it up onto your skin, but never ever downwards. Remember that. Now that's the way how I like to use this face serum. I apply it only in the night, and yes, the days I feel that my under eye area is a little bit dry, I apply it over there before applying my makeup in the day. But yes, in the night, use this product in order to see a difference. I'll just put a photo over here. Like I have actually taken a picture on the day one before using this product, and after using this product for almost a month, I'll just put a picture. You can see the difference, how healthy my skin looks. Now I'm just talking about the experience. Like the very first thing which I have noticed, that since I'm working woman and I stay in AC for more than 9 hours, what happens is that if I have applied a foundation, after a while it looks cakey because the moisture on my skin is being absorbed by AC, which makes my skin looks oldie. I'll say that. I don't want to use that word, but yeah, it makes my skin look oldie, not healthy. But since I've started using this product, my skin looks healthy all day. Even like after 9 hours, 10 hours, my skin looks healthy, seems like it is hydrated, and apart from that it looks glowing, which I'm really happy about. And this product, I was not expecting it to be so good, but it is like from packaging to how good the product is and how it is actually standing to its claim. Amazing product, guys. You know me how I am when it comes to skincare, and I always recommend good products to you all, and this is surely one of them. You have to try it if you are looking for a product which will give you hydration, glowing skin and wrinkle free skin, especially for the people who are just starting up with wrinkle. Please implement this into your skincare. I know it is a bit pricey, but then certain products comes with a good price tag and it actually shows you result, then why not give it a shot? I absolutely love this product. I can just say out of 5, they deserve it. They purely deserve it. And I would like to thank St.Botanica for sending me this product. I actually look forward for the products which are good on skin, and this is surely one of them. I will 102% recommend you all, even for the people who have a sensitive skin. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you are a skin freak just like me and keep on searching for a good skincare products, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon in order to be notified. And do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. All links are in the description box. At the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty.